And we're keeping an eye on a low chance for some strong storms to bubble up over the next, say, 2 to 3 days here in central Texas. I think our better chance or higher chance of strong or severe storms is going to wait until Wednesday. But certainly it's been a bit of a tricky and frustrating forecast last few days because of these conditional severe weather threats, largely dependent on the presence of the dry line that can add lift in the atmosphere, but it doesn't guarantee that storms develop along it because there's some other mitigating factors that have been preventing storms from developing. Meanwhile, though, the dry line is once again nearby and draped over parts of the hill country right now, where ahead of it, dew points are tropical and in the 70s, and behind it, dew points much drier. And that dry line can help to provide some lift to generate storms. Now, the thinking is there's a lot of dry air at about 3,000 to 10,000 feet above our heads that may actually serve to limit storm chances here through the early evening. But then as the dry line starts to move back westward overnight, it may help to generate a few thunderstorms overnight into early Tuesday morning. Far from a guarantee that we get early Tuesday morning rain, but at least a couple of our computer models hinting at an overnight thunderstorm round that would be likely strongest in the hill country. Otherwise, most of us staying dry tonight and partly cloudy, and then a blend of sun and clouds here for your Tuesday. And once again, another day with a low chance for a storm or two to bubble up during the afternoon and into the evening. If a storm does develop, it could be strong or severe. Now, Wednesday's different. A cold front is going to be slowly moving through the area from the north and northeast as we go through the morning into the afternoon. If the front gets here a little more slowly, then there'll be more of an opportunity for some downpours and potentially strong storms to develop. Right now, we've got a 30% chance of storms on Wednesday, and any storms that can develop along or ahead of the cold front could be strong or severe. Anything that forms after the front has moved through is unlikely to be severe. But I think Wednesday is going to be the next best opportunity for at least slightly higher rain coverage than the almost non-existent storms we've had the last few days. So the severe weather risk here for your Tuesday, it's 1 out of 5, and it doesn't include all of the area. Wednesday's threat includes more of central Texas, and it will be all about the timing of the cold front here on Wednesday. So our forecast tonight, a partly to mostly cloudy sky, an isolated storm possible. Many of you staying dry, though. Overnight lows of 73. We'll go 95 here tomorrow with sun and clouds and another possibility for an isolated storm. Way more of us are going to feel the heat and humidity. Highs in the low to mid 90s, but feeling like triple digits here tomorrow. Yet Wednesday's cold front isn't going to make a big difference in the heat. From 95 Tuesday, 86 Wednesday, 80 Thursday, 75 on Friday. And it gets even cooler this weekend, by the way. It's also going to help to knock the humidity down gradually through the week, beginning Wednesday, with the driest air coming this weekend. Now, even after Wednesday's cold front, we're going to get wetter here Thursday through the day, especially the second half of the day, rain and storms, and then widespread rain and storms likely on Friday. Some of that could be very heavy rain. So here's a look at our first warning weather 7-day forecast. You can see the days with the lower rain chances have the higher chances of some strong or severe storms. And then Thursday and Friday will be more about heavy rain potential. But then we dry out just in time for the weekend. 70 Saturday, 77 mostly sunny Sunday, cooler nights as well. Back into the 80s on Monday.